The evolution of the word dorm from the Latin dormitorium is one of the most interesting tales in the English language. This flexible word can be used to convey fear, smallness, disgust, bad decor, and unhygienic living conditions. Dorm can be found in nearly every grammatical category. Noun.
Frankly, I don't give a dorm, or half of one. I want a private room.
Adjective modifying another adjective.
These green metal bunk beds are pretty dorm ugly.
Interjection.
Dorm, dude. This room is tiny.
And there aren't many other words in the English language that can express the variety of conditions that dorm can. Panic.
One dorm bathroom for everyone on this floor?
Odor.
Y'all gonna need a lot of air freshener to get out that dorm smell.
Filth.
Out, dorm spot!
The last residents left this place so dirty.
Dorm can also be used as part of several other words, as in,
this food is dorm-sgusting.
Let's go eat that dead rat we found in our room.
or
This room is like not at all adormable.
A bathroom at a gas station has like way more style.
that's why the D word is taboo at IU Southeast. We don't use it because you shouldn't have to live in it.
Please note that IU Southeast does not have dorms. We have lodges with private apartments, including full kitchens, appliances, private bathrooms, high-speed wireless internet, and more.
Where am I going to do my dorm Pilates?
Live on campus.
Dude.